Welcome back to Love Cooking with Tuchva. If you are new here, please like and subscribe, do all of the right things in helping my channel grow. Today I am making BOEREWORS rolls. Maybe I should adjust the camera so you can see what's going on in my pan. Guys, I am back and I have my stove heating on medium high, and in the pan I'm putting in 2 large onions sliced up as thinly as possible. And then I have some chilies that I chopped up. Adding that in there. You can add in some more oil during the braising time. So when you do that, you can just put in a little bit of fish oil at a time, or cooking oil or olive oil, whatever oil you are using. And I'll be right back. My onions are coming along nicely now. I didn't add any water into the pan just yet. I thought I'd save that bit for camera. So now what I'm going to do is, I have about a tablespoon or 2 of water that I just added in. And now at this point I will be adding in some brown sugar. So I have some brown sugar over here. I'm just going to add that into the onions. So I'll just braise that some more until I've reached my desired brownness, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. And then we can move on to the sausage. So I've switched off my pan and I dished out all the onion, as you can see, in a little bowl, and I'm going to set that aside and start with the sausage. Now I'm going to add in my sausage. And I'm also adding in red pepper, just a small piece of red pepper. Some fresh rosemary. Guys, you don't have to add rosemary in, it is optional. I just add it in for extra flavor. Crushed garlic. The smell is so amazing. My goodness gracious. It's like a party in the pan. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to let that fry for a bit with the lid on top. And then when I need to check on it to add a little bit of water, I will do so. And I'll be right back when I get to that stage. Take the lid off. The smell is totally amazing. Even with the lid on, the smell is so hypnotic. The rosemary and the garlic together with the sausage just does all sorts of things to me. So I'm adding in some water that I have over here. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to poke some holes into the sausage, just so the air can escape and assist with the frying. And I'll check my sausage as well. And I'll just continue to fry it. As you can see, it's turning into a nice toasted brown color. And I'll cover it up again and I'll continue to fry it further. And my BOEREWORS is done. It's a nice brown color on either side. I'm going to take it out of the pan now and let it cool down on a plate. And then when I'm done with that, we'll get to assembling the BOEREWORS, and I'll be right back when we get to that step. So I have my roll, and in the roll I will put the sausage like that. And then I'm going to put some onion in the roll. There we go. If you want to put more onion in your roll, that's okay, it's entirely up to you. Nobody's judging you. And then I'm going to stack it up with some chips. Like that. And then I'll get to the rest of the rolls and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.